Hey everyone, it's Larry here from Five Hearts Nursery. Today we are doing our first unboxing video. We will be looking at the new Cloudray S6 6-inch oscillating clip fan with the EC motor. Let's dive in. This being my first AC Infinity product I've ever purchased, I was absolutely blown away by the packaging here. It's very well packaged with very sturdy materials. It came with an instruction on how to grow cannabis, instruction manual for the fan, and a little diagram showing that it can connect to the UI system that they provide. I don't own one yet, but looking forward to trying one in the near future here. Once we got that neoprene, I'm guessing, some type of foam anyways, insert out, we get right into the fans. These things are very well constructed. Here is the head. It's got a control unit on the back. It's a fully sealed unit from Dust and Water, IP54 rated, perfect for a growing environment. The build quality here between my old VivoSun and this one is night and day. It feels very hefty and durable. It's got the EC motor in there for quiet and smooth operation. Very, very well built, or at least it feels very well built. Time will tell. Now we got some clips and some wire organizers. Here are the mounting brackets, and they are all plastic, but feel quite heavy duty. Here we have the connector cords for hooking up to the UI system, and another firm foam insert that held it all in place very well. The packaging is next to none here. The assembly is very straightforward. One threaded rod here, and it's got the different angles that you can adjust it on there. You simply put the clip on, put the threaded piece back in there, and you're good to go. Once you lock it to the angle that you want, you just tighten it down so that it holds that angle once you hang it, and it is ready to go. Now that it's all assembled, let's get it up into the tent here and take a look at the controls and features. First off, we have the wind speed. You have 10 different programmable speeds, as well as a dynamic wind mode. We'll take a look at how you set that in a few minutes here. Lastly, we have the dynamic mode here. Whatever your highest speed is at the time you turn it on is the highest wind speed you'll get through the automatic adjustments here. I have it at 10, so it'll range from power 1 to power 10 at random intervals. I really love this feature and use it on both fans in the tent now. Alright, next up we have the oscillation modes. Here is mode 1. Here is mode 2. Three. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally number 10. As you can see, it gives you a full 90-degree range on mode number 10. Lastly, we need to look at the tilt options. They range from a 30-degree upward angle or a 40-degree downward angle. This gives you complete control over the airflow in your tent. Once you tighten down that nut there, it locks it in place, and yeah, it does a really, really good job. The clamp there holds onto the post well. All around great product. My first impressions, as said, are very high. I would highly recommend checking this out, and I can't wait to get more ACI products in my tents and grow rooms. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy growing.